Hey, my name is Xander. I work here at Carfix and I'm a service advisor. I've pretty much spent my entire career doing customer service, and what has drawn me to that is just a passion for helping to find solutions for folks and make sure that they just have a great experience just from the very beginning and see it through all the way till the very end. The one thing that I'm reminded of all the time is that we're not just, it's not the car business, we're really in the people business. It's building relationships, it's having an ongoing communication and health and wellness for your vehicle, just like you would with your doctor or with your body. One of my favorite things too that's so unique is that we are able to keep that updated communication process throughout. We've got really cutting edge technology where we're able to provide you with videos and pictures and provide customers with that so that way they truly know and are able to see things pretty well from start to finish, and then just have that true confidence in their vehicle and going down the road.